Okay, this is a review for the quiz, section 6.1 through 6.3. So we want to solve this system by graphing. So the first one, I'm going to put that in slope-intercept form. That means that I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So I get y equals a negative 3x minus plus 7. All right, that's in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So my slope is a negative 3. I need it to be a fraction, so I'll make it a negative 3 over 1. And my y-intercept is 0, 7. So I start by plotting the 0, 7 on the grid. So that will be way up here. Now I'm going to, instead of rising 3 and running 1, I'm going to go down because it's negative. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 and right 1. I'm going to do that a couple more times. 1, 2, down 3, right 1, and down 1, 2, 3, right 1. And now I'm going to connect those. You need to have it pretty accurate. As a matter of fact, if you're doing it on paper and pencil, I would make sure I have a straight edge, because when you're graphing to find a solution, you've got to find where the two lines intersect. And if you haven't done an accurate graph, then you're not going to be able to find the point where the two lines intersect. All right, so there's the first line. All right, for the second line, I'm going to use the cover-up method. So for the cover-up method, if I cover up the x, that makes the x a 0, and that means y equals 1. And if I cover up the y, that makes the y 0, which means the x will be 1. So my 2 points are 0, 1, and 1, 0. That's this line, and again, I'm going to graph it pretty accurately because I'm trying to find where these two lines intersect. And it looks like they're intersecting right there. And the coordinates of that point are 3, negative 2. So the solution is 3, negative 2. Now, I would always make sure that I check that. How do I check it? You plug it in. So let's go ahead and do the check on this one. So we get 3 times 3, because x is 3, plus a negative 2 is supposed to equal 7. So that's 9 minus 2 equals 7, which works. And then in the second equation, 3 plus a negative 2 is supposed to equal 1, and it does. So our checks both work. So this is the solution.